trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more.
Yo, what up? What up, Devin? What's up, Paul? Yeah, started late, a little bit late today. A little bit late start today. Not a big deal. Not too big of a deal. Still gonna catch a banger trade here. Beyond Tomorrow, what's up? Oh yeah, of course. Of course. Nah, I can't bring Chip anymore. He attacks the keyboard and the mouse. I gotta lock Chip up in the room, dude. He goes attacking the mouse. Oh yeah, dude, I could even use this one here. Which one do y'all like better? This one or the black background? Could use either one. Either one, they both work. Oh yeah, Paul, dude, he attacks the mouse, dude. It's crazy. The only problem with this one though is if I go over, it doesn't get the full screen. And this is like the middle of the screen, but it's on the left. On there. What are you guys thinking here? Are you thinking short or long? I'm kind of thinking more toward the short side. Honestly. Might even take a... Let me see how this would look here. Where's 10 points? 10 points. Let's see. I'm not in this. Thinking about getting in. Glad I didn't get in. Man, glad I'm not in this. I'm just scalping, but I do think I want to see this thing go lower, man. We can come down, kind of sweep all this crap down here. Maybe we can go back up from there. That's what I'm thinking. And look on this hourly. I was looking here. We got an hourly inversion. So we're delivering from this gap here. Got a fair value gap delivering from it. And then we got an hourly inversion right here. So I don't know if it wants to tap back into there. Kind of like tap back into here and then come down, or you know what? Or it could just turn here and go down. But I really do want to see this thing go lower. I want to see it go lower. That's why I'm thinking this might actually be a good entry lower for at least 10 points. I want to wait a little bit, but I'm thinking about entering here soon in a short. $10 points will be right there at 74. That's kind of risky there. It's kind of risky there, so I'm going to wait here a little bit longer. Yeah, Paul, that's what I was thinking. Down to the Asian lows. Looks good. That's what I'm thinking there. I would even like previous day low just to sweep all this crap out. Sweep all that crap out, and then if it wants to go long, I say if it wants to go long, I mean it's almost got to come down here and sweep this crap out. If not, then it's just going to be one of those grind up days. I feel like if it does continue higher without sweeping all this. But if we come down and we sweep this out, two things can happen. It can either start dumping down all the way down here, or we can just sweep all this crap out and get like a V shape all the way back up pretty quickly and start squeezing all these people. But if not, if it doesn't do that, it's just going to be either a chop day or it's going to grind up. But yeah. Yeah, no news today. Yeah, dude. It's like a higher time frame, man, I can't talk. Higher time frame bull flag going on right here. All that LR. Higher time frame. I bet if we look at this like a 1 or 4 hour, looks like a big old bull flag. Break out of there and just run it back up to the top. 1 hour bull flag. But yeah, this thing's coming up. It's coming up here, boys. Let's look at this hourly. It's tapping back into this hourly inversion. This hour closes in 10 minutes. Be interesting to see where it closes. Bing bong. Man, I don't know. When I move stuff on my thing over here, it always moves that clock around. I don't know why. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, man. I'm really just. I don't know if I should just take the payout on these accounts, man. I'll just take the 10K now, and then I'll have $2,000 in drawdown. I can work it back up to a $40,000 after I take the 10,000. I'm really just thinking. Let me start another poll here. Let me end this poll and start another one. Take. Yeah, dude, I can get 10K right now. Probably over 10K. So I can take this down to 52,100. Yeah, it's going to be over 10K. Let me see. So 800 times 20. Dude, I could get 16,000 right now. Hang on, I think. Yeah. Dude, I could get $16,000 payout right now. 16,000. Well, dude, I mean, I've activated like 2 sets of these accounts. So that's like, I spent probably like 6,000 on these because I've bought the evals, bought a bunch of evals, and then I activated 2 sets of 20. And the activation's what really gets you. I pay the lifetime. So I mean, I've spent a good bit on these. I probably spent 6,000 just on trying to get 20 accounts to a payout. Yeah, I'm thinking just take the profit now and then work back up slowly. But I don't know if I'm at 8 days or not. Either today's gonna be 8 days or yeah, dude, that's what I'm thinking. I think I just take the freaking take what it's giving me, dude. Giving me 16K. I mean, if somebody walks in the dang jewelry store and wants to just hand me over 16K for a ring, I'm gonna be stupid not to take, something to think about. $16,000 is a lot of money. It's a lot of money. Let's see. It's 1 hour time frame. I think this is gonna go down here. 1 hour fair value gap right here. Probably about to come on down. Probably about to come on down. How long does Apex take with the payouts? A couple days, I think. Yeah, if you're only trading a couple accounts, dude, there's way better options. But like if you've already gotten payouts and you want to go for huge payouts, Apex, you can't beat Apex scalability wise, like huge payouts. Now, there's way better options if you're only trading a couple accounts. I mean, Take Profit Trader, Top Step, those two are way better for, like 1 to 5 accounts over a week on Apex. Yeah, I mean, to get the money in the bank, but they removed the money from the accounts in like 3 days, I think. 3 days max. but to get it in your bank account, I think it does take about a week, over a week. It just depends on if you go under review and stuff. If you get approved, I mean, sometimes you get approved in like a day or denied in a day, but if you go under review, it could take a couple days. Yeah, Devin, I'd stick with either Top Step or Take Profit Trader. Top Step super is honestly the activation and stuff is a little expensive, but there's a reason that it's expensive. It's because it's so easy to get the funded accounts to pay out. You only have to have 5 days of $150 to get to a payout on Top Step. So I mean, you're paying a little bit more for the eval and the activation, but it's a whole lot easier to get to a payout. So it's kind of give or take, what you want. Not on Top Step, no. It's just 5 days of 150, and then you can take out 50%. You can take out 50% of whatever you make. Let's see, this hourly candle closes in 3 minutes. See what it does here, man. Dude, this past week or two has been tough, dude. If you're not scalping and taking base hits, it's tough. Hang on, I gotta see if this yep, it's working. All right, man. What do you guys think? How many people we got here? 36 people. Come on, smash the like button. Smash the like button. What's up, V-Gay Boar? What's going on, dude? What up, what up? Yeah, it says take the 10K, then go for 40. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, dude. All right. I think this is about to come down. It's coming down here right now. About to dump, dude. Yep, that's exactly right, Yash. It's best to leave them alone until paid, Devin. We'll see. We'll see if I lose this trade. If I lose this trade on stream, I'll request a payout. Let me see. If I enter here, 71, 81 will be the stop. I don't really like that. So that's how I kind of think about it. Like when I'm entering a trade, where will my stop be? So if I take a 10-point stop, it's going to be right here at 81. Well, if this is just a sweep to come back up and break these highs, it's probably going to come tap 81. That's how I'm thinking about it. I kind of want to enter, if I'm looking for a short, somewhere where if it does have a pullback or something, it won't come back and take out my stop loss. So that's kind of how I think about it here. I mean, it could just dump down here, but this is a new hourly candle. It doesn't really have a top wick here. It may need to come up and make a top wick. So I'll just sit here and watch it for a few minutes. See what happens. See what happens. Ooh, back in action. Oh yeah, dude. Scalping is the way to go with Apex too. I mean, scalping with the trailing drawdown, dude. It's the way to go. And I know on a one-to-one strategy, I can be right more than 50% of the time. That's what it comes down to. When you have a one-to-one strategy, can you be right more than 50% of the time? Oh, the music was off. Nobody told me the music was off on this slide here. It's back on now. Yeah, dude, but I don't know which one I like better. I don't know which one I like better. I kind of like this one. I kind of like this one. See there? It's coming back up. Looks like it's either making this bottom wick on this hourly candle to drive higher, or it needs to make a top wick before driving down. And I let Chip out of the room, and he is about to jump on this table. He is up here. He is on the table. Hopefully he doesn't enter us into a trade here. Imagine me riding the dang prop firms. I swear, it wasn't me. It was the cat. The cat entered the trade. Look at that, dude. Here it comes. Here it comes. Ah, he's back there. He's getting ready to pounce on this mouse, dude, in my hand. So yeah, I like the shorts, dude. I just didn't like the entry. I would have liked it to sweep above here one more time, and there's Chip going after the mouse, dude. He's getting so big. Look at him. Look at him. He's getting so big. Get off the keyboard, man. Get off the keyboard. He's back on the table. I'm telling you, Chip's relentless. He's back on it. He's on the hunt, dude. Oh yeah, he's huge now. Look at him. Chip is going after this mouse, dude. Now he's biting the oh, Chip, I don't want to put you in the room, man. Yeah, he's getting huge. Man, these shorts are about to play out without me, dude. Chip, what are you doing? No. Dude. Chip. Go. Chip's crazy, dude. He's crazy. All right, dude. I'm gonna set a limits, not 40. Limit sell right here. 63.50. Stop will be at 73.50. All right, I got a limit sell right there. 63.50. See if we get tapped in here. Dude. Chip. All right, you gotta go in the room, dude. You gotta go in the room. Well, all crackers. Crackers. Look at this, man. Didn't let me in. See, I was thinking about trying to get in on a retest of, just for retest of like this kind of all this area here. Support resistance zone. Thinking we close below there. Get a nice tap back onto that. And then dump it down. We'll see. I'll keep it on. If it breaks these lows right here, though, if it breaks those lows, I'll take it off. Let's see, that's also about 50% here with this gone here. Yeah, it falls right in that golden pocket area. All right, let's see. We might be getting tapped in here. All right, I'm in. I'm in. See. What's up, MMM? Yeah, streaming today, dude. We're on the stream. All right, put that stop right there and profit a little bit. 1 point in profit, and that break even. Let's see if it can just run down. Just do it. Go. Just go. Go. Don't come back up. Go. Nah, I'm about to get it. I'm about to. It got taken out there. I bet it goes though. I trailed it and got taken out. I'll keep it on here, but we'll see. Trailed out in profit. Yeah, I just wanted it to go. If it was going to go, just tap that area and go. Starting to come up here now. It did sweep these levels right here. Get kind of like a tweener. Swept this low, held this low. So didn't want to risk it being like a tweener and coming all the way back up here. So trailed out in profit, made about 10 bucks there. I think it was about 20 bucks, something like that. Yeah. What's up, Ivan? What's going on? Yeah, dude, we're back on the YouTubes. We're back on the YouTubes, MMM. Back on the YouTubes. Ivan, you're still in short? Well, good luck, buddy. I hope it goes down. I do think it has a good shot, actually. There we go. It's coming down. I really do like the short. I just wanted it to go from where I wanted it to go. It came up, kind of tapped that 50% mark, and looks like it's coming down now from that. I think I want to see these Asian lows get hit, but I didn't want to risk taking that 10-point loser, so I just trailed it. Now I'll just see if it would have played out or not. Yo, what's up? We got 51 people in here and only 19 likes, dude. Come on. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Hit 1 if you smash the like button yet. Type 2 if you're not gonna hit the like button. Type 1 if you've hit the like button. Type 2 if you said you just don't like me and you're not gonna hit the like button. Let's go, Austin. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, Austin. Ike. Ike, you can just get out of here. Get him out of here with your little Tesla. Dude, Teslas are cool though, man. I want one. Put him in timeout. Ivan, no, I'm not on vacation. I'm at my girlfriend's house. Oh, let's go, Ike. Appreciate it, man. I'm at my girlfriend's house right now. I am going on vacation. This Friday, or this Thursday night or Friday, I'm going to Colorado. I'm going to Red Rocks. I'm going to Red Rocks to watch a concert. Anybody ever been to Red Rocks? I don't know. It looks cool. It looks cool. Let me look it up here. It's a Riley Green. Look at this, dude. Hang on. Look at this. Looks cool, don't it? That's where I'm gonna be. That's where we're gonna be. Yeah, we're going to see Riley Green. You know, he's got a song about my town. He says he's got a little bit of hunting land just outside of Phoenix City. That's where I live. Okay, guys, I need to know. Oh, Ivan said, my wife and daughter went to Poland on vacation. Oh, nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, dude, it's cool. What else? What was I about to say? I was about to say something. I forgot what I was about to say. Price is coming to a crawl here, though. Yeah, I forgot what I needed to know. I forgot what I needed to know. Oh, I remember. Clash of Clans or Clash Royale? What's your favorite? Dude, I'm getting back on my base on Clash of Clans, but I also have Clash Royale, but I didn't play it that much. But dude, my base on Clash of Clans, it's looking sharp. It's looking sharp, dude. Devin said Clash Royale. Yeah, I played Clash Royale a little bit, but I didn't never get too into it. But Clash of Clans, dude, I was all in it. I gotta start playing Clash Royale though. I know a lot of people play Clash Royale. Dude, you know what's crazy to think about? You know what's crazy to think about? With 20 accounts, if I just make $20 a day, that's literally $400. See you later, Devin. See you, Devin. Have a good day at work, man. Have a good day at work. Yeah, I was thinking, if I just make $20 a day on these Apex accounts, 20 of them, that's $400. It's literally $400. Oh yeah, man. I'm about to be getting ready here to go to work. I got 40 minutes though till I gotta leave. 40 minutes. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it's good, Paul, but trading 20 accounts, dude, when you lose them, it's so mentally draining, bro. It's hard to... It's so mentally draining. I mean, don't get me wrong, I lose accounts too. Dude, I go on blow up. I have a blow up day. I'll just I'll be losing, and then I'll just boom, 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 just smacking the contracts, trying to make back what I lost some days. But trying to get out of that. My dad owns a jewelry store, so now he owns two, so I run one of them. I run one of the jewelry stores. Speaking of that, let me go find. I got a YouTube and an Instagram now. Let me look this up here. Look at my jewelry Instagram here. Boom. Got the reels. Yes, sir. Go give my jewelry Instagram a follow. Well, I'm glad I got trailed out in profit here. Would have been a loser. Well, not yet. Not yet, but it's looking like it. Paste the link. Let me go get it. Let me go snag that link. Here you go. Here's the link. Oh, that's my. I sent it from my jewelry YouTube page too. Hang on, I gotta log into. The link ain't gonna work unless I log in. All right, here we go. There you go. Look at this, dude. Glad I got out of this. All right, let's take a look at this hourly chart again. Man, this past week or two has been tough for real. Appreciate it, Paul. Past week or two has been really tough for me to figure out where price is going. If I wasn't just scalping and taking these base hits, dude, I'd either be break even a lot or negative. But the scalping method really saving me. Man, dude. I really, honestly, dude, I don't even want to touch the NQ in all this crap here. I really don't even want to touch it anywhere in this area. Dude, just break out of this area and go to one side or the other. Get the frig out of here, dude. Get the frig out of this chop zone and go somewhere else. Get out of here. Freaking just break out and go one way or the other. Ugh. All right, so the breaking above this level here. See if we can continue this upward or not. What up, Cove? Man, trying not to blow 20 Apex accounts. Dude, imagine this. I've been posting every day green. Imagine I come up here one day, it says minus 3,000 times 20. That sucked, dude. I'm trying not to do that. I'm really just trying to be like you, Cove. My role model. Yeah, I'm really thinking about just doing that. I can take $16,000 right now. I think I'm just gonna flip it. I think I'm just gonna take the 16,000 and then try to go for the 40,000 on the next go round. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, dude. I gotta get some money. I gotta get some money, dude. It's been like 2 weeks since I got paid from prop firms. I gotta get some more money. Let me go look at how many days I got on these accounts here. Let me go take a little look. I do hate the freaking two-factor authentication here on Apex now. I gotta go into my phone. What if my phone's dead and I can't get into Apex? What if I drop my phone in the daggum lake? How am I gonna log back into my authenticator? Here. All right. PA charts. Oh, dude. I've only traded these things like 6 days, man. Today, I guess, will be the 7th day. Man. After today, I'll have to flip one more day and I can request. tomorrow I can just flip a micro. Yeah, dude, I haven't broken any rules. I know for a fact I haven't broken any rules. What up, Mayan? I mean, I know for a fact I haven't broken any rules. Unless they, you know, they want to do the sizing rule or something. I don't know. Unless they want to pull some weird rule, some hidden rule out of their butt crack. But I will say I have not broken the, what is it? Like, you can't go more than $700 in drawdown. I've never been more than 700 in drawdown. So I know that rule I have not broken, and that's the one that usually gets me. So I don't know the other rules, but that rule I have not broken. I know that. I don't know, man. I'm not an insider. I'm just a dude who trades with Apex trying to get paid. And if they ask me for a video, I guess I'll just have to twerk on the video for them to get paid. I'm just kidding. They don't ask for videos anymore, I don't think. I don't think they ask for the videos anymore. Which way is this going, dude? Like, I can't. We're in an uptrend here. Let me just think about this logically. We're coming up. We're coming up here. But we're also coming down. We're also coming down right here. We're making a wedge. We're making a wedge here, boys. Soon it's gonna break out of this wedge. And it's gonna fly. It's gonna break out of this wedge and it's gonna fly. Man, Cove, I'm gonna have to hop on your stream while I'm working today. I'm gonna have to hop on the stream. Dude, I'm just a scalper now. I'm just your average scalper. I go 1-to-1. I'll do something like this. 1-to-1, 10 points, 10 points. Boom, that's what I go for now. Dude, I know I can win. I know I can win more than 50%. I'm not a loser, dude. There ain't no way I'm gonna lose more than 50% of the trades. So 1-to-1 strategy works for me. Dude, if I lost more than 50% of my trades, I would just have to quit. I'm gonna lie, I couldn't take it. I'm no loser. It's like in baseball, Cove. Your record's less than 50%, dude. You suck. That's the same thing with trading. My record ain't gonna be worse than 50%. Oh yeah, dude. I know it. I know it, dude. I just finished up a few cool things. Let me see. Bro. All right. I just finished up this bad boy right here. Let me switch it over. Bang. Radiant with a hidden halo. I set all those little diamonds in the halo. Oh yeah, dude. When I was in college, dude, I had a slump buster. My coach, he used to say, Slade, you need to call that girl up. But finished up this bad boy. Let's finish up some of these here. Dude, this was a nice one right here. These are two naturals, both of them internally flawless diamonds right here. This was really nice, actually. Two internally flawless diamonds, and they're both naturals. A lot of money in that ring right there. Appreciate it, Elena. Thank you. Yeah, man. This thing just wedging. Nah, that's all customs for people. They come in and ask. And if we don't have something like it, then we have to, I'll make it. If we don't have something like they want, I'll make it. I'm making a custom piece for stock right now though. It's nothing fancy. Cool stone though, but just a plain ring. Dude, yesterday I was at the shop. I was at the shop yesterday and I had to remove stones. I had to remove stones from all the jewelry because my dad was getting ready to scrap it, which means sell it to the scrap guy and he'll go and, you know, melt it or whatever. But I had to take out all the diamonds and the stones from the, and it's a pain in the butt. That's what I was doing yesterday after the stream. I was up there at the jewelry store taking out all those diamonds. But can someone try to guess how much he got for scrap jewelry? All the stuff he sold. So it's, scrap is basically just, you know, it's like rings and stuff you can't use. They're too old. And like broken chains and stuff, you sell it and scrap it. So they'll go and melt it and refine it down. So you sell these stuff you can't use. So my dad sold a bunch of stuff that we couldn't use, and guess how much he got for all of it? No, dude. He got a lot for it. He had a bunch of gold, man. He had a bunch of gold. A bunch of gold. I mean, tons. Oh yeah, you scrap aluminum and brass and stuff. Yeah, gold's expensive though. It's gold's, you get a lot for scrapping gold. Well, anyway, he got $98,000 from all the gold scrap. Just from scrap. That's like stuff we're not even gonna use. Crazy. Yeah, dude. He told me, I was like, what in the world? He's like, yeah, the scrap guy had to go get some more money. He didn't have enough. Oh, man. But he's got a big jewelry show coming up this weekend. It's so you go to the jewelry show and you buy a bunch of stuff for stock. So he said he had to get up a bunch of money to go to the jewelry show and buy more stock. So a bunch of gold chains and stuff. Getting ready for Christmas. Going to the jewelry show this weekend and then buying a bunch of stuff to get ready for Christmas. Because Christmas will be here before you know it. It's already almost September. That's crazy. It's almost September. It's August 19th. But it's my favorite time of the year. September and October. Football starting. It's going to start feeling good outside. That fall weather. Drinking those coffees in the mornings just going to hit so much different. Halloween. Can't wait. All right, cool. See you later, man. I'll be on your stream later. I'll be on there. Let's see, I don't think I'm gonna get another trade here. I mean, I honestly don't like anything inside of while we're in here just wedging back and forth, kind of coiling up here for something. I don't know. I mean, I really would like it to come down here and take out these all these lows down here. I do think it will do that. I just don't know when. So you know what? I'm not even gonna stay on here and tempt myself. I'm about to just get off of here also. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Paul. I'm just gonna probably get off of here. I mean, I'm probably not even gonna trade these accounts anymore. I done made up my mind. I'm just gonna flip tomorrow. I'm gonna be done today, flip tomorrow, and then take a $16,000 payout. But that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and I'll be waiting to kind of see something else happen. It's literally like right in the middle of this range here. I don't really like either way. So hope you guys have a good day. I'm about to hop off of here, get ready for work, and I'll see ya. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster.